Hi, so I'm going to unbox the Canon pixma TS3329 and going to do a quick setup, and I'll show you how to do that. So just remove the outer covering. So that's the printer. It looks really nice, and we get this CD inside it and the manual. So that's the CD with the drivers. That's the manual, cartridges, power cord, and that's the bill. So that's the quick unboxing, and now I'm going to connect it with the power cable. So that is on the corner, you can see here. Now we are going to insert the cartridges, and for that we can remove the ink cartridge. So that's the color one, and this is the black. Now switch on the printer, press the power button for the initial setup. So just make sure you slide it in and close the chamber. So once you install the cartridges, switch off the printer. Now switch it on again. Now we can see it says the reading is 0, so that means your printer is ready. And now I'm going to copy. So load the paper in the paper tray, open the top scanner. I'll place the card here. Now I print for the color, so press 1. So we'll see the number of copies. It says 1 there, and we wait for the print to come out. So we can see here that has been printed, and now our printer is ready to use. So that's a quick setup. Thanks for watching.